Hello, and welcome to the Mortgage Porter Weekly. I'm Rhonda Porter, mortgage advisor in the greater Seattle area, and this update is for the week of February 23rd, 2026. I went on an impromptu road trip with my husband for the last 3 weeks, and we drove the coast down California and went over to Palm Desert to watch the Seahawks win the Super Bowl at my sister-in-law's home. And then we headed north to the Grand Canyon and through Utah and Oregon before landing in Astoria and heading back home to Seattle. So it was a wonderful road trip. I can't remember the last time my husband and I took so much time off together. And it's time for me to be back at work. So my apologies for being gone the last 3 weeks, but I'm here now for you. And if you want any recommendations on things to see or places to stay if you're looking at doing a road trip, please reach out to me. I would love to share it with you. Well, the Supreme Court ruled against Trump's global tariffs that were imposed on Liberation Day last April, and mortgage-backed securities may be reacting nicely to this as they are currently improved. Optimal Blue reports the average rate for a 30-year fixed as of last Friday, February 20th, averaged 5.979%. It's really nice to be reporting rates under 6% for the 30-year fixed. Please remember, though, that this Optimal Blue index is an average from about 35% of mortgage transactions or lenders who use Optimal Blue when they go in to lock in a rate. And you can't lock in last Friday's rates, and your credit scores and loan to value and other factors will impact what mortgage rate you may qualify for. So if you do want to get a rate quote based on your financial scenario and based on current rates, not Friday's rates, please reach out to me. I'm happy to provide that for you. And on the economic calendar this week, probably the most significant data as far as mortgage rates are concerned is probably going to be the PPI, or the Producer Price Index, on Friday, as that measures inflation. And signs of inflation does cause mortgage rates to move higher, as it's a negative impact to bonds, which mortgage rates are based on. So we'll also be watching the ADP employment report as well. And it's just after 12 noon as I prepare this, and the Dow is down 858 points. It's really having a nasty day. And investors are seeking the safety of bonds, and we're seeing mortgage-backed securities slightly up as a result of this. Like today, I thought I'd take a look at options for self-employed borrowers. Oftentimes, because of all the write-offs that business owners may have, we're not always able to use much income for qualifying. And so there are many different programs available that provide alternative options instead of tax returns for income for a self-employed person. Some of them might be bank statements, where we look at the deposits, or 1099s, or even profit and loss statements from bona fide CPA or tax professional might be able to be used. So the more documentation that we can use and the more strength that we can show for income, the better the interest rate is going to be. So for example, if we can go back 24 months instead of just 12 with bank statements, you're probably going to have a better interest rate. So, or using the bank statement program over the profit and loss program, the bank statement program is going to have a better interest rate. And of course, if we can use your tax returns, that's going to probably have a better interest rate than any of these programs. But there are options available, which is important to know, that can help you qualify for more home. And if you'd like more information, please reach out to me. I'm happy to review your scenario with you. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate your support. If you or anyone you know are thinking about buying, refinancing, remodeling, or even a reverse mortgage, let's talk. I'm happy to help you or anyone you know. I hope you have a great week. Take care. Bye-bye.